A, head circumference. B, neck. C, above bust. D, full bust. E, under bust. F, waist. In order to find your natural waist, you're gonna put your hands on your hips, do a little wiggle, and then you're gonna find where you bend. So I bend about right here. I'm gonna take my string, I'm gonna tie it around me, just like that. And I'm gonna tie it in a little bun. Ta-da! G1, high hip. It's going to be a hand width down from your waist. G2, full hip. This is the fullest part of you. H, thigh. I, knee. This is the fullest part of your knee. J, calf. The fullest part of your calf. I'm going to measure at my ankle bone. L, bicep. Now this one may be a little tricky, but the key is to relax your arm. There you go. M, wrist. I'm going to put it right on my wristbands. N, height. That's kind of useless. 6 feet. O, center front to waist. You're gonna find the divot in your clavicle down to your waist tape, and make sure, don't look down and don't go too high up, just relax. P, cross leg. We're gonna start in the back of your waist tape. Go all the way to the front. Take your measurement, like that. Take it out so that you can read your measurement. Q, sleeve, shoulder to wrist. You're gonna find a little divot in your shoulder by raising your shoulder. Place my tape measure right there on top of it. Grab it with the same hand. Make sure it's nice and tight. Secure it in your hand as well. And don't cock your wrist to make sure it's nice and straight. Once it's straight, you can let go of the tape and pull it back and find where your wrist is. R, inseam. I usually take my tape measure at the 2-inch mark. Put it below my heel. Run the tape measure along the inside of my thigh. Stand straight and relaxed. Find the measurement. 38 and deduct 2. S. Bottom of bra to waist tape at center front. Take a tape measure at the bottom of your bra. Go down to your waist tape. Take the measurement. T. Cape leg. So I put my cosplay boots on, but if you don't have your cosplay boots, you can just do it barefoot and then add the heel height after. Also, I'm 6 feet tall, so if you're past 5'5", you're probably gonna need a longer measuring tape. So I'm gonna take my measuring tape, find the 2-inch mark, turn around for you, step on the 2 inches with my heel, bring it all the way up the back until I find a little bone on my neck right there. Stand straight. Take it off. We're at 65. I'm going to deduct those 2 inches to have 63.